Hey there foodies, welcome back to the channel, your ultimate guide to making the most of your Uber Eats experience. Want to streamline your orders with a credit card? Today I'm going to show you how to add credit card to your Uber Eats account through the website. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to Uber Eats website. If you are not already logged in, go ahead and sign in. Once you are logged in, click on the top left corner 3 lines. From the drop-down menu, select Wallet. It will show your payment methods in Wallet section. You will see an option to add payment method. Click on it and then select credit or debit card. Enter your credit card information including card number, expiration date and CVV code. Double check to make sure all the details are correct. After entering your details, click on Save or Add Card. Your credit card information is securely stored and you are ready to use it for your next Uber order. And that's it. Adding a credit card to Uber Eats through the website is quick and easy. Now you can enjoy seamless payments and get your favorite meals delivered faster. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.